On October 7, 2023, a fight started between Israel and Hamas, reminding people of the intense 1973 Yom Kippur War. That morning, Hamas attacked Israel, and Israel fought back by dropping lots of bombs on Gaza. About 6,000 bombs fell from the sky over Gaza, showing how important controlling the air can be in modern battles. If you control the sky, you can move and attack freely, which was clear when Israel responded to Hamas's attacks that day. Now, about the special bombs Israel used, the GBU-31 JDAM bombs. These are not regular bombs. They're smart bombs that can hit their targets really accurately, even when the weather is bad. They're tough on the outside to handle rough conditions in the air, and have amazing technology inside to guide them right to where they need to go. The Joint Direct Attack Munition JDAM is a tool that turns regular bombs into smart bombs that can hit targets accurately in any weather. The JDAM does this with a guidance kit that has a special guidance system and a GPS receiver. With this setup, these bombs can hit targets up to 15 nautical miles, which is 28 kilometers away, and the bombs themselves can weigh between 500 to 2,000 pounds, which is 230 to 910 kgs. JDAM is a kit that you add to regular bombs to make them smart. The kit has a tail section for steering, a strake kit, and a unit that combines the guidance system and GPS control. This design helps overcome the problems that laser-guided bombs and imaging infrared technology face, like not working well in bad weather or over tricky terrain. From 1998 to November 2016, Boeing made over 3 lakhs JDAM kits, and by February 2020, this number went up to 43 lakhs kits. During times of high tension with Hamas, the supply of JDAM bombs to Israel sped up. The U.S., supporting Israel, sent over more air defense tools and bombs, including JDAMs, after a big attack from Hamas. In its fights against Hamas, Israel used a lot of JDAM bombs, dropping about 6,000 bombs weighing 4,000 tons over Gaza in just 6 days. The supply of these bombs, especially the GBU-31 type, increased with an extra delivery of up to 1,800 GPS guidance bomb kits from Boeing, showing a strong military partnership between the U.S. and Israel. An example of how important these bombs are came during the Operation Swords of Iron on October 7, 2023. Israeli Air Force's F-15 and F-16 planes used JDAM bombs against Hamas targets. In this operation, an F-15 Baz went on a mission carrying 3 GBU-31 JDAM bombs to hit hostile targets in Gaza, showing how useful and effective these bombs are in dealing with serious threats. When compared to other bombs used in the Israel-Hamas conflict, JDAM bombs stand out because of their accuracy, which is important in reducing harm to anything or anyone not targeted. While other bombs like bunker busters are used to hit targets underground, the accuracy of JDAM bombs makes them a better choice in many situations. Now, using highly accurate bombs like JDAMs in crowded places like Gaza brings up a lot of tough legal and ethical issues. International humanitarian laws, which talk about things like making sure to target only the right people and not using excessive force, are really put to the test in such situations. Even though these bombs are made to reduce harm to civilians, things can go wrong on the ground. This can happen if the targeting info is wrong or if fighters are too close to civilians. But in any case, using such strong bombs in crowded places like Gaza raises a lot of worries about people's safety. The damage that follows is huge, with many civilians getting hurt or killed and important buildings being destroyed. One attack on a hospital in Gaza led to the sad loss of 471 lives, showing the harsh reality of the human cost in modern battles. In the end, the ongoing fight between Israel and Hamas shows the two-sided nature of modern weapons. The desire for military control and accurate attacks keeps pushing forward new weapon technologies, but the terrible human cost highlights the need for worldwide discussions. This conflict points out the need for a balanced approach, blending military goals with caring for people, to work towards solving global disputes in a fair and humane way in today's world. That's all for today. If you liked the information, like and share the video, and for more informative content, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.